Coming to the third question of practice set 5.3, the diagonals of a square IJKL intersect at point M. Find the measures of angle IMJ, angle JIK, and angle LJK. Now, what is a quadrilateral given to us? IJKL. What is the quadrilateral? It is a square. Okay. Now, we have to use the properties of a square. In a square, we know that all the sides are equal to each other. Also, all the angles are equal to each other and their measure is 90 degrees. In addition to this, we also should know some more properties of a square. That is, the diagonals of a square are congruent. Also, the diagonals of the square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. That is, they bisect each other at right angles. So, all these angles here are right angles. They divide them into two equal parts and they divide them at right angles. So, they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Also, diagonals of the square bisect opposite angles. Okay, so the diagonals of the square bisect opposite angles. That is, if I have a diagonal like this, the opposite angle is divided into two equal parts. Okay, so if this diagonal can divide this angle into two equal parts, that is, since this whole angle is 90 degrees, each part will be 90 degree divided by 2, that is 45 degrees. Okay, so now let us go to the question. They have given us that quadrilateral IJKL is a square. Now we go to the first property. Diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. Why are we using this property? Because they have asked the measure of angle IMJ. So here is where the diagonals are cutting each other. So I can write diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle IMJ is equal to 90 degrees. Now, further, we have to find the measure of angle JIK. JIK. You will see that this diagonal IK is cutting this angle into two equal parts. Therefore, angle JIK will be half of angle JIL. That is half of 90 degrees, which is 45 degrees. So, we write here angle JIK is half angle JIL, which is half into 90 degrees, which is 45 degrees. They have also asked us one more angle, angle LJK. Now this LJK also is found in the same way as the previous one. Why? Because this diagonal LJ is dividing this angle IJK into two equal parts. Therefore, angle LJK will be half of 90 degrees, which is 45 degrees. So, I write here angle LJK is equal to half of angle IJK. We'll look at the figure again. Angle LJK is half of angle IJK. And IJK, the measure of it is nothing but 90 degrees. Why is it 90 degrees? Because the measures of all angles of a square are 90 degrees. And half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees. Therefore, angle LJK, the measure is 45 degrees, same as angle JIK.